Next, we can create some slabs. If we go to L01, then structure, and then here floors, floor structural. Then by default we got floor generic 300. That's fine, but we can create our own type. So edit type, duplicate, the name will be Kia Concrete 300. Okay. Then in construction, structure, edit, the material, we are going to choose our Kia Concrete, then OK. This should be checked, that's fine. OK, make sure that the total is 300 as the name. OK. Then we can choose pick walls, no, pick supports, pick lines method. So pick lines, we will pick the external part of the wall, so it's not the last one, it's a footing there, but the just one before. Left click, then left click, and then left click. Then zoom out and in. Then we can create this round edge here. If we go to fillet arc, left click, we can select this part, select here, and then type 250. Enter. We will repeat this for 3 or 2 other corners. Left click, 250, enter, and also this one on the right hand side. Left, 250, enter. Finish edit mode. Revit is asking us if we would like to attach the walls that they are below to the floor. Yes. That's done. Let's see that in 3D. So in 3D, yes, that looks perfect. Something happened to this part here. I think this happened when we attach the wall to the floor. What we can do, we can fix this very easily. If we left click, if we select the wall, edit profile, Revit removes, that's fine, close. Then this line, we need to move it up to the top of the footing. Use the align tool, zoom in, select the top of the footing, select the pink line, finish edit mode, escape, and let's see. Yes, it's fixed. Let's see the other part. And that one. This is not correct. We can do the same. Select it, edit profile, close, align top of this footing, round one, left click, no, I don't think I left click, align, left click, finish edit mode, and repeat the same for this wall. Select, edit profile, close it, align, top of footing, pink line, finish edit modes, escape. The rest looks good. Okay, now we need to create the other floors on the second and third floor. If we go to L02, structure, then floors, structural, then edit type. If you have floor Kia generic 300, edit type, duplicate, and we can create a new one that is 150. Okay, then in construction, structure, edit, 150. Let's keep our material. Okay, make sure it says 150 here and the name is 150. Okay, this time if we are in L02 we'll use this method pick supports, and I would like to pick this support, this one, trim and trim that, this one, and this one, and this one. Now let's see how it looks here. That's okay. Then finish edit modes, and what we can do, we can press Ctrl C, then paste, align to selected levels, and we can place it in L03. Okay, in 3D it looks correct. Let me check this part. It looks correct. Let me check the material. Concrete cast in place. Okay, so what happened? I forgot to change the material. I'm going to select one, right click, select all in instances in entire project. Once everything is selected, in materials, change this for our Kia concrete. Kia concrete, then OK. That will take a second. Left click, an empty space. Yes, that's done. Okay, so what's next? The next, we can create a shaft. If we go to L01, also what we can do, we can get rid of this. If you press VV, you will get this window, and in structural where this should be, foundation framing, columns, that will be river path framing. Actually this should be here, structural span direction symbol. Okay, annotation categories, and then span direction symbol. Apply, and that disappeared. We can repeat this for L02, VV, then annotation categories, then span direction symbol should be off. Okay, and then L03 the same, is not visible here, but it looks like the view range should be changed. Let's change this for 900, and then this should be, let's say, 1200. Associated level, this is fine. Minus, I think 700 is enough. Then OK. The same here. 700 apply. Then OK. Nothing changed. Let's see that again. 900, 1200, and 700. And this is L03. Because we have a floor. Okay, that's fine. So this is how it should look like. Because we have a floor, that's why we have dotted lines. Before we could see that the beams now, because of the floor, the line style has changed. L01. Okay, the next we can create a shaft in the middle. So shaft will cut off the hole in the middle going through 3 floors. The shaft is here, structure, shaft, and the shaft opening, the vertical one. Left click, then we need to go to L01 view and pick lines, and the shaft we want to create, we want to follow the wall. So this side of the wall, left click, and then left click, then trim the corners, this corner, this, and finish this. Now the shaft should go from L01 minus 300 offset, that's fine. Then top constraint should go to the roof. Top offset 0, it's fine. Then let's see in 3D if that works. Yes, we have a hole all the way up to the roof. Let's see the details here. Yes, that's perfect. Next thing we would like to do, we would like to join the walls with the floor. If we go to modify, then join, we can select the floor and the wall, and that will clean up graphically the line between. The same on this side and the same on that side. So floor and the wall. Here floor and the wall. Perfect. One more. Floor and the wall. Modify. Okay. What we can also add, we can also add the slab edge. We can do it in a way that select the floor and then press HI to isolate it. HI, and then we have only our floor. If we go to structure, floor, slab edge, then in edit type we can choose this profile M slab edge 900 by 450. Then material should be our Kia concrete. Okay, then OK, and we'll choose the bottom of the floor as our path for the slab edge. So left click, and we should have this on this side. Then escape, and then structure, floor, slab edge, and then pick that again. The reason I press escape, I don't want to do it all in once. The reason is later on I'll get some problems to join the slab edge with the wall and with the floor together. So the same now, escape before I press this, then again structure, floor, slab edge, and then click it. Okay, to check if I did it correct, if you select the slab edge, only one part should be selected. If you select one part and all the parts are in blue selected, that means it's wrong. You need to create it all one in once. So this is done. The other part we want to create is this. Then the same structure, floor, slab edge, and then select the bottom part. Okay, it works. The same idea as there, escape, structure, floor, slab edge, escape, structure, floor, slab edge, and escape. Now this should go slightly in, okay, to get rid of the triangles. Select it, left click, stretch it. The same for this, and also the same for this one. Select it, stretch it, looks good. Now to get back the rest of the model, HR. Now we have the rest, and what we'd like to do, we'd like to join the edges that we just created with the rest. So what I can do, I can get into that view, select this part, HH, to hide it. Now I can see only the part of the model that I'm interested in. Select that, then join, and I would like to join the wall or the slab with the wall. This Revit should clean it up, and this should be nice and clean without any extra lines. So slab and the wall. If it's difficult to select, to move around, then the same here, then the wall, and inside could be wall and the edge, doesn't really matter which you press. Select first edge, edge and the wall, edge and the wall. Okay, that looks good. HR to reset the visibility of our model, temporary hidden elements. If you have if you don't know, or if you have an issue with using shortcuts, if you go here, you have all hide element is HH, isolate element is HI, and reset HR is here, reset temporary hide isolate. So that's how the model looks like now.